In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets for Productivity Planner. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser and create a new file by choosing Blank Spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. I'll call this one 2026 Productivity Tracker. A descriptive name makes it easier to search and stays consistent with your planning system. Next, set up the structure so your tracker is easy to scan. In row 1, add your column headers from left to right: date, task, category, priority, status, deadline, and notes. Bold the entire first row to make it stand out. If your columns feel cramped, auto-fit them, and consider freezing the top row so your headers stay visible as you scroll. Now let's define your categories to keep work organized. In the category column, you can use labels like client work, content creation, admin, sales, or prospecting, and personal. Consistent categories will help you see where your time actually goes and make weekly reviews much faster. To speed up data entry and keep things consistent, add drop-down menus and click the priority column, then go to Data, Data Validation, and create a drop-down with 3 options: high, medium, and low. This lets you prioritize at a glance. Do the same for the status column by adding a drop-down with not started, in progress, completed, and follow-up. Drop-downs prevent typos and make filtering much more reliable. Let's add some visual cues with conditional formatting. Select the status column, click Format Conditional Formatting, and create a rule that applies when the text is completed. Choose a green fill. Now, every completed task will highlight automatically, giving you an instant sense of progress. Below your task table, add a simple daily summary. For total tasks, type equal count A B2 B100 100. For completed tasks, type equals count EF E2 E100 completed. For completion rate, type e's count IF E2 E100 completed. Count B2 B100. Then format that cell as a percentage. If you want cleaner results, make sure you only enter tasks in those ranges and leave blank rows truly blank. For a bigger picture view, create another sheet tab and name it Weekly Summary. Here, track totals such as total tasks completed, revenue tasks done, and missed deadlines. Pull numbers from your main sheet using simple counts or countifs. This overview makes it easy to review your week, celebrate wins, and spot bottlenecks before they roll into the next week. As you use the planner, remember to enter clear task names, set realistic deadlines, and update status daily. With these pieces in place, your Google Sheets file becomes a simple, powerful productivity hub